This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T14 Gen 6 Intel, the V series. There's the power adapter here, 65-watt USB-C. Some regulatory papers. Go over the ports here. So just a Kensington lock slot, a full-size Ethernet, USB-C. This is a SIM card slot option if you had that, and a smart card reader option if you had that, but I don't. Nothing on the front, just the lip to pull the laptop lid up. Combo audio port, another full-size USB, HDMI, and 2 USB-C here. Just the fan slots on the back and on the bottom. There'll be a reset hole right there in the middle. And on the V series Intel, you can't upgrade the RAM. And the inside, just the usual touchpad with the swapped control function keys and the Copilot key. And then the dual mics and the little privacy switch for the webcam at the top. And I guess the Windows Hello sensor up there too. That's it.